What's up, y'all? This your girl Nicole, and right now I'm just out with family at the Juicy Crab, favorite restaurant.
Okay.
Baby, everybody eats
Who's
seafood.
that?
And if you don't, something wrong with you. But
Huh?
I'll be right back to show y'all what I have. Make sure y'all tune in. First time eating a mussel, y'all.
Yeah, open it up and grab that meat right now.
Yum. Yum.
Try it. I'm telling you, it's good. It's gonna be like this.
Give it a 10 out of 10. You hear me? Tucker in Atlanta, Georgia. 10 out of 10. I had a good time with my family as well. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe, comment, and like this video. Thank you. Until next time. Bye.
Gotta eat it fast.